Hi, this is my sixth experiment in web technology. Uh, this is just the web page. In this question, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, like that. In question 1, this is the digital clock. It shows the time for each second it will change. Okay. Then for question 2, this is the dynamic background. The color will change for every 300 milliseconds. That color will change. Okay. For question changing the font size. If I move the cursor over here, the letters will be like it will be zoomed. Then focus for this is the moving the core, moving the object, image object. That is, if I click the start button it will move, if I click the stop button it will stop. Then for quiz 5, in quiz 5, for each book I gave author name, that then the published year. In this before and after 1980s, the whatever the books were published will be shown. Then now we are going to see the source code for this. Is in page 1, that is focus 1. That is the digital clock. In for using that digital clock, we are using the JavaScript. In this, I use this function display new date. Uh, New date is the varchar, that is the variable. Document.getElement id time. It will get the time from the system, and it will show like get hours, minutes, seconds. Then set interval is for every 1000 milliseconds it will change the time. For that means 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. Then for page 2 dynamic background, that is changing the color of background color. That is in JavaScript, red, blue, green color, like that. For each 300 millisecond it will change. That is the JavaScript for a dynamic background. Then for changing the font size, that is move the cursor over me to zoom in. This is the sentence. If I move the cursor over here, the sentence will be zoomed. For that, for increasing the font size, there is function, that is JavaScript I used, that is 50 pixel. If I if I move the cursor over that, then 50 pixel size will be increased. Then for decreasing the size, this is for changing the font size. Then uh, this is for moving the object, that is image object, that is called. If I that is the two button, that is start and stop. If I click the start button, what I have to done, that is the image will positioning, that is select position, the positioning from left to right. That is for each second, that image will, for each 200 millisecond, that image will move from left to right by 10 pixel, 10 pixel. Then if I click the stop button, again that image will come to the left of the position, that is 0 pixel. This is for just moving the image object, that is car. Then for fifth request, this is the that author name and book published. This is for before and after 1980s. It In this JavaScript it will calculate whatever books were published after and before the 1980s. This is for book A, book author A, released in published in 2007. Then for B, 1940, 1981, 1990, 1910. In this JavaScript, it will show whatever books were published before 1980s and after 1980s. This is the JavaScript for that. See, this is the digital clock, then dynamic background, then move the cursor to zoom, that is changing the font size. Then for moving the image object, that is a core. Then whatever books before 1980s, after 1980s, it will calculate and show this list. Thank you.